Hello and welcome, Casper here, and in this video I have something really cool for you guys. Okay, so this is the video where I share with you how to get Facebook penny likes. So what is Facebook penny likes? Facebook penny likes is the likes that you get for your Facebook page that you get for a cent for one page like, or if you run the campaign longer, you might get cheaper likes. Okay, it's lesser than a cent. Okay, so this method is more towards a social proof, where new business owners created their Facebook page, and they're required to have some likes to actually get the profile, I mean the page, running. So why do I recommend this particular method instead of purchasing third-party Facebook page likes from another platform? Is because when you run this Facebook penny likes ad campaign, the likes that you get, the page likes that you get from Facebook, are from real Facebook profiles. Means basically these are real people, real Facebook accounts that actually like your page. Now, if you were to run an exact campaign, but you are actually purchasing sort of like a third party um, page likes from another platform, okay, if you were to buy a few, like maybe like 100 likes or 200 likes, you might not see like whether Facebook will actually ban you or something like that. But there is a risk for you to actually get banned, and you might not even have the chance to actually run an ad on Facebook. Okay, so this is very, very important, and let me show you how to actually run this campaign, as in how to optimize it. Okay, as you can see right here, okay, I've actually tested this method out myself. Okay, the method was actually tested in May 2017. I ran it for 2 days. My budget per day was $3, and I ran it for 2 days, so it is a total of $6. Okay, I get like 1 cent for one page like. Okay, and I have 3,677 impressions. Okay, and I had a total of 664 page likes out of $6. So it is a really good deal. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to do it. So first you need to click create, and you need to choose the Facebook page. I'm going to choose this particular Facebook page, and over here, the location, you're going to type worldwide. Okay, and you click on it, and you should exclude California. Now you might be wondering why California. California is basically one of the most expensive places to advertise, so try to avoid promoting in California. Okay, now on the age section, okay, it really depends on how you want to do it. Okay, if you are targeting someone from age of 13, it would be cheaper clicks. So when I do it, I like to put it at 18 to 65. Gender, all genders are fine, and I'll put English, and I'll click all. Okay, now this, so detailed targeting, you should target only one, which is love. Okay, and this is the love interest that I'm talking about, which is the one that has 1 billion likes, or interest I should say, on this particular subject. So I'm going to click on it, and that's it. Okay, do not add anything into this, and you want to edit your placement. Okay, so it's going to be on feeds. Don't put it on Instagram. Okay, And a daily budget, I'm going to put a daily budget of $3. Okay. So everything is okay. Just let Facebook optimize your bid amount, and you are charged for impressions. Okay, alright. So you're just going to click continue. Now, you're going to search for images to run your ad. Okay, if you are familiar with free sort of stock images, you can click here. Okay, or you can actually go to pixabay.com. Okay, and you can search for love. Now, to me, the image is kind of important because since you are targeting love, you might as well use an image that has like a love shade, you know, or someone holding a heart, or like this picture is kind of good, this picture. Okay, and as for me, I would actually use this free stock image right over here, and I'll search for love. Okay, so these are the images of from Shutterstock. I'm going to use this one is good. Okay, this is good. And this, we're going to type sort of like a call to action text. Okay, you can actually follow word by word what I type in, or you actually can get creative, but try to make it short. Try to make the words short, I mean the sentence short. Okay, so basically I'm going to put like we love you, like to share the love. Okay, so basically you are asking, you are telling them that you love them, and would you like the page just to share the love. Okay, so that's it. And if you want to have a pixel, you can do it, but I don't think that is relevant, so I'm going to close the pixel. Okay, and that's about it. When you click review, Facebook will go through your ad, and you'll get approved within at most 24 hours. Okay, so I hope you guys get some value out of this. Okay, so if you have tried this method, please comment in the box below. Okay, if you like the video, please give me a thumbs up, and please check the description box below. You can follow me on Twitter, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye bye.